A true picture of Islam. Islam is a peaceful religion. Violence against someone is forbidden in Islam, as is the use of forbidden things. Islam even teaches peace and honors the human being. The famous saying of the Prophet of Islam, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, is that he does not love a younger person and does not respect a person who is older than him. He is not related to Islam, that is, he is disobedient to the Prophet of Islam. This law was for common people. But there is a lot of emphasis in Islam for one's family. Even honoring and respecting the mother has made success after death conditional. Heaven has been placed under the mother's feet. As the mother and father get older, Islam respects and obligates them. In Islam, with increasing age, its respect begins to increase. Punishment in Islam is related to peace in the society. Whoever commits an excess, he will be punished according to the justice of his crime and not more than the crime. If the principles of Islam are followed, then the society will become a vase of flowers. Because if he wants peace, he wants security for himself. Then he will have to give peace to others, he will have to respect them. And protecting them will be disturbed or the peace will be disturbed.